is Seanna. I'm going to show you how to make a volcano eruption, but not in real life. Okay, the things you'll need is white vinegar, baking soda, some dish soap, it doesn't matter which scent it is, just regular, red food coloring, and orange food coloring. It's optional to have both though. Mixing container, suggestion, one cup. 1/4 a cup, a teaspoon, and importantly, about the size of half a water bottle, and I cut it in half. So I'm going to place the half the water bottle in the middle, and then I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to take my cup, and I'm going to fill it, not the whole thing though, probably just like 1/4, just like this, but I'm going to use that one for later. So I'm going to pour vinegar in here. I'm going to mix it with both food colorings, only 1 drop each. It kind of looks like blood though, but don't be grossed out. I'm going to set that aside and get your 1/4 cup out and fill it with vinegar, baking soda. Okay, pour the baking soda inside the half container, and I think I need a little bit more. Hopefully this will explode. And then I will pour the dishwasher soap with the baking soda. Just and then the vinegar. And that is your volcano eruption there. And when it's done and you know that it will explode like this, then you're going to take that, and then this is my finished project. And if you see inside, you can see that I put a jar in there. And if you want it to really explode a lot, then 2 to 4 ounce jars is the best, like half a container. So, and that is your volcano eruption. Bye.